If you want to set a custom keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or 7 FE, what you need to do is we need to download a new app, new keyboard that will allow us to do so, because the standard keyboard theme doesn't allow us to create our own theme. So we're gonna go to the Play Store, and then let's tap on search, and we can write the name Gboard. This is the Google keyboard that is used on other Android smartphones. So we're gonna install it. And then let's wait a couple of seconds. And I'm gonna show you how to set it up and then also how to get the custom theme, how to use it. So let's open it. First tap on this enable in settings button and enable a Gboard over here and press OK. Then you're gonna go back. Now choose select input method. And we want to switch from Samsung keyboard to Gboard. So now by default, you will use this Google keyboard instead. And press done. After that, you will immediately jump into the settings. So now over here you can go to theme, and over here you can find a bunch of different themes that you can immediately download and use. So for example, if you like any of these, then you can download them and you can use them. There we go. But if you want to, at the top we can press this plus button in order to create your own theme with the image of your choice from your gallery. So let's say I'm going to choose this picture over here. I can adjust it if I want to. There we go. We can change the position slightly, and then let's go next. We can adjust the brightness of the photo and then proceed. We can toggle key borders and then press apply, and we go. And I have a custom theme. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.